Hi viewers, today I'm going to do a unboxing and review of Apple Watch Series 10. This is a black 46mm with the strap small to medium size. This is just a GPS model. Let's do the unboxing. So we have the watch and the strap. Let me move the other stuffs away. So we have the watch, and this is the new charging cable. This is the textured one. This is the Type C. You need a new adapter if you don't have a Type C adapter or wall charger you don't have already. And this is your strap. So this is a sports band, black, small, medium. I think you lift this up to get the straps out of this package. Alright, so let me put all the other stuffs away. Have this watch. I think it's pulling out, might be a little bit harder, so what I will do is I'll slide this in and pull. Yep. So what I did is I already paired my phone to the watch. Let's look at the watch. The screen is 1 mm bigger than the Watch 9. You can see it's a little bit bigger, and the real estate is really good because I was using a Watch Series 7. I don't have the Watch 7 with me because I traded in for this 10. So I can feel the difference. The screen is a little bit bigger than the 7 or even with a 9. Screen is super bright. I really like the screen. I can feel that there is some little bit more real estate you can see on the screen. On the software wise, yes, it's running on the WatchOS 11. There is nothing much of changes here. Let's first discuss about the hardware. This is really light, super light when you compare with the older models. According to Apple, this is the slimmest Apple Watch yet in the market. That is somewhat true. It is a tad slimmer than the older version because of this size increase. They just stretched it a bit, so it feels like, and you still have this charging bump at the back, and this is the same locking mechanism. If you have any old straps, you can still use it with Watch 10. On the software side, this is running on the WatchOS 11. In this 11, you see a couple of new apps. One is this Vitals. So this will read all the vitals like your breathing, heart rate, sleeping, wrist temperature, everything in one place. This is really cool aggregation of all the vitals. You can see it in one place. I really like this app. But one of the missing app from the OS 11 is this SpO2. You cannot use this app because Apple is having some copyright issues. So I was enjoying this in my Watch 7, but I'll be missing that app here in Watch 10. Also, you have this depth sensing app. This is very useful. You can wear this if you're going into a pool or you're diving into a lake or to ocean. So it constantly shows how deeper you're going in. And charging, this new charger with Type C can charge up to 0 to 80% in 30 minutes. That's really a good one. But you have to use this new charger which is provided with your watch with the Type C cable. Okay, let me show you how does it looks on your hand. It's really good. A little bit bigger, I would say, because I was wearing the Watch 7. It was a little bit smaller for my wrist. And this is the small to medium band because my wrist is a little smaller, so I prefer the small to medium. If you have a bigger wrist, you can go from medium to large. The fit is really nice. Previously I was having a medium to large band which will always come down. It was a little bit looser, but smaller to medium, this is really good for me. It has a snug fit. I like this fit, and the feel of the watch is also really good, and this is having always on display. So gestures you can choose. There are very limited options, so I'm just double tapping, so it shows up all the widgets. There is option here for the gestures. You can turn on the double tap. You can choose whatever you want to do. If you're listening a music, you can set that to either pass the music or play the music. or skip. Only those two options is available. On Smart Stack, you can do advanced or you can select. Advanced means it just opens up it. Let's see what it does for select. Yeah, it's selecting it. See, I just did a double tap, so it's moving. I'm not sure whether you're able to see it. So it's selecting whichever the screen I am. I just move to the next screen. This is really cool. Instead of just swiping around the screen, you can just do it like this. I like this. So about the Tides app, probably this is useful for surfers to see how big the tide and what time the tides will go up and down. So this is showing the tide statistics or tides rising and falling feet for the Mavericks Beach. Probably this is in California, I guess. So you can see at what time the tide's height. You can see at the sunrise the tide is 3.3 feet. So around 2:15 p.m. it is going up to 5 feet. So this will be useful for surfers for sure, I guess. So they can see what time the tides will be high, so they can go for surfing and plan their day. So anybody is looking to upgrade from 7, I would recommend this. If anyone is already having a 9, probably I would say skip this. If you want, you can go for Ultra or wait for the Watch 11 if there is any new features or any form factor change from Apple. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.